नमस्कार, प्रणाम, सत श्री अकाल, सलाम वालेकुम, गुड मॉर्निंग to all world. When there is nothing in this family of universes, then science called Big Bang. Vedas called the Brahma is appeared from the nucleus of Vishnu, and the Saif Sampradaya Shiv Puran called the universe is generated with the collision of Shiva and Shakti. What other than the words, other than the language, if we consider all these three statements, then these three statements explain the same things. Means this physical universe was in the form of a point at a particular time. What time does not exist, so we cannot say what was that. And something forced this point to explode. And the action had been started. What is before it? Who forced it? Why universe is created? These are some questions which are mystery for our history. This is not the actual position. The people on planet Earth just explain about the things which are happening. What science explains, the present age of universe is 14 million years approximately. What this is not the age of the universe. This is the age of present Manmantar. Our universe is known as the Marichi universe, means elusive universe, in which we exist in so-called Mandagini Akash Ganga on the solar system, so-called Kashyap solar system on planet Earth. So this 14 million years is the age of present Manmantar only. Before it, 7 Manmantars has been completed, and one Kalp consists 14 Manmantars. This all is under action and reaction through the universal Vidhi Vidhan, means universal mechanics. So what is Sanatana? Nothing is Sanatana. Even then universe is not Sanatana. Because universe has birth and death, means Utpatti and Pralaya. But what is Sanatana? The universal laws are Sanatana. Universal laws are more than the physical laws. These laws are Sanatana. What exists when there is nothing? The universal laws, universal mechanics, Brahm Vidhi Vidhan was exist at that time. This Brahm Vidhi Vidhan consists 3 parts. The tendency of Brahm to explode. Ekoham Bahusyami means differentiating nature of the Brahm. We cannot say it's universe because Brahm is more than the universe. Brahm is Brahm only. The second is Aham Brahmasmi, means existence tendency of Brahma, जिससे कि पत्ते पत्ते में हो रहा है मैं हूँ, I am. The third is integrating tendency of the Brahma, means Ekoham Dutiya Nastu. The combination of these 3 laws exist. Under these 3 laws, several universes are generated and destroyed. These three laws, first of all, create the initial vibration, so-called Brahmanada. This initial vibration is converted into 7 fundamental vibrations, so-called swar, sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni. These 7 fundamental vibrations converted into ragas, and these ragas converted into bhavas, means spirits. When the first spirits, kama, was appeared in the Brahma Patal, means Brahman, then the first tendency of the Brahma, Ekoham Bahusyami, just start to converted it into various particles, means VIVGYOR. So at this point is called Big Bang. This point is called ब्रह्मा के नाभि कमल से, विष्णु के नाभि कमल से ब्रह्मा की उत्पत्ति. बट दिस इज द पॉइंट इन एवरी मनमंत्र. सारे गामा पाधानी सानी धापा मागा रेस. तो 7 और 7 14, तो देर आर 14 notes. So one kalp means 1 year of Brahma contain 14 notes, 7 upward and 7 downward. This is the system. And these notes exist everywhere. So it is a message to everybody on planet Earth. Don't try to confuse. Don't try to move randomly under the flows of so-called religions and the politicians. Be conscious. Learn yourself. Feel yourself. Universal knowledge is very, very simple. You can feel it. You can live it. You can also control it. But try to do something. Okay, good morning.